Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is Lab 8.11.4, and we are going to change the unmask. So you want to change your default unmask to give yourself and members of the group to which you belong full permission to the files and directories you create. You want to deny permissions for everyone else. You are logged on as for DAMS. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to change your default unmasked value to give yourself and members of the groups to which you belong full permission to the files and directories that you create. All right, so we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this video you find this video tutorial to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where I have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to the vast array of videos, educational videos we have on any of the TestOut lab available. Alright, so this has loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal, and from the first task we are going to type unmask, and you press enter, and then we'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. What is the current unmasked value? That will be 0022. We'll go ahead and score lab. Okay, let's wait. We need to complete one. Let's see. We need to complete one more task before we score lab. Let's see. Let's see. Is there any other tasks we need to complete before? Okay, so you're gonna type in unmask and 007, and you press enter, and unmask. You press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.